Hello, everyone. Good morning. My name is Milton Grant, and today I'll be going over my SDAI lesson plan, and then I'll give you one SDAI strategy that I would like to use in my classroom. So, English language development standards that I'm trying to hit or target are connecting ideas. I want the students to start connecting the idea uh, uh, of human activity having a detrimental impact to the rest of the world, or our natural environment. So the learning objective for today will be students will be able to identify human impacts on watersheds. And then the learning goal, students will be able to integrate and evaluate multiple sources of information presented in diverse formats and media in order to address a question or solve a problem. So the problem is the human impact on, say, a watershed. So I think that's the introduction to the content. And the SDAI strategy that I will be focusing on is think, pair, share. Okay, good morning, class. How are we doing? We should all have one piece of construction paper, one blue marker, and one brown marker, washable marker, of course. So what I want you guys to do immediately is to crumple your paper. Just crumple it as tight as you can. Crumple the heck out of it. Crumple this thing. All right. Now everyone raise your crumpled paper. Okay. Now let's open it up. Okay. So it should look something like this. Okay. Should look something like this. Now what I want you to do with your blue marker is create rivers, water coming down from this mountain. Okay, so in essence, these are mini watersheds. All right, so we can all do this right now. I'll give you guys a second. After you're done with that, I want you guys to take the brown marker on your desks and create something that looks like this. Okay, so those are homes, those are factories, those are farms, those are a number of things that humans made, right? What else could those be? Yeah, exactly. Those could be cows, right? A pasture, um, farms up here. I want to live up here. That's where I want to live. That's awesome, right? Okay, so once all of us have our papers, I want you guys to raise them up. Beautiful, beautiful. Very nice. So since we have it, what do we think this is? I kind of said what it was, but what do we think this looks like? All right, what do we think this looks like? So I'm going to let you guys think about that for a second. And then I want you guys to share with your partners, okay? So let me give you about 1 minute to share with your partners. Go for it. Mr. Grant gave us some sentences that we have to use during the share period. So I'm going to ask you, I'm partner B, why do you think the paper looks this way? It's your turn. Well, I think the paper looks like this because it kind of resembles a mountain range. Um, that's what he said, I think. Okay, okay. What do you think will happen to the color on the paper when Mr. G sprays it? Um, well, I think that the color on the paper will mix with I think the blue and the brown is going to mix. So that's what I think. I'm pretty excited that he's going to spray our papers. Marcos, what do we have over there? What did you guys come up with? Nice. So you guys think it's a mountain range, and you guys think that there's a valley here and water's coming down. Okay, awesome. Over here, Naeli, what did you guys think? Mm, beautiful, beautiful. So you guys think that you guys are a little bit ahead. So you guys think that the water or this up here is going to pollute the water? All right. So let's test this out. So what I'm going to do right now is come around with my spray bottle and I'm going to spray your guys's watersheds. All right, your simulations. So I'm going to spray them. All right, I'm spraying, I'm spraying, I'm spraying, I'm spraying, spraying the everyone's papers. The kids go crazy. It's very nice because the kids get to visualize and see exactly what happens to the brown colors and the blue color streaming down their papers. It's best if you use washable markers. These markers do not work, so I couldn't show you all. I don't have them. I'm not in my class, obviously. But it's a great opportunity for the kids to visualize and to see the impacts and the blue and the brown intermixing, and then you can ask leading questions like, what do we think the brown is? And some kids will say it's manure, or it's pesticides running down the side of the mountain because we live in agricultural. We live in the Salad Bowl, the Salinas Valley. We have a lot of agriculture here, and unfortunately, a lot of fields spray pesticides, and when it rains, those pesticides start streaming down the mountain into the Salinas River. And I have a simulation at my school, but thank you all. That's one SDAI strategy that I like to implement, the think, pair, share, especially in this context. Thank you.